Hi guys, breaking news coming out of Iraq. Iraqi Parliament Speaker welcomes Sadr's move to integrate Saraya al-Salam into state institutions. At the same time, the new Prime Minister of Iraq, al-Zadi, called on the Popular Mobilization Forces, MPF, to operate under the authority of the Iraqi state, following an announcement by the leader of the Shiite national movement, al-Sadr, that the armed wing of his movement would follow this course. Now, this is great news because we are hoping, the channel is hoping, that these major moves towards security in Iraq will help remove the level 4 travel alert. Do not travel for Iraq. I'm in Eurasia right now. I came this far to exchange the Iraqi dinar. Join the channel's membership to learn more about that. However, I cannot enter Iraq because of the security issues. This is the video that was supposed to be released 2 days ago. However, something within me told me to wait. I usually get this feeling when something about the information is incorrect. And sure enough, this morning I woke up and the news had taken a deadly negative turn. First of all, you should know that al-Sadr has a group of 9,000 members who carry weapons. His actual following is in the hundreds of thousands. And al-Sadr is not really considered to be an Iran-backed militant group, at least not by this channel. Analysts say successful disarmament would strengthen Iraqi sovereignty, improve government control over security, and reduce the influence of armed groups operating outside state authority. In other words, this gotta happen, guys. This gotta happen. But the new Iraqi Prime Minister is working daily on this issue. This is serious because, as you know, one of the Iran-backed groups sent an armed drone to the UAE, and one of the drones exploded and caused a fire over a nuclear facility. This caused a major storm in the Middle East, but basically within the UN. And Iraq understands that they must disarm these groups or face serious consequences from the global community.